Yo, what's going on guys? Hanging Hunt Outdoors here. My name is Dimitri. Today's video is long overdue. We're going to be going over the EZ Strap 2.0. We're going to do a demonstration on how to use it with your climbing sticks and just kind of demonstrate why it's one of the best ways to hang your climbing sticks. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So originally we had the EZ Strap and the EZ Strap XL. We were selling them on eBay. It kind of spiraled into something a lot bigger than I anticipated it. Ended up creating our own website, and after a little bit we decided to just kind of merge the two. So this uses a 7mm rope. It's very strong, rated for like 3,000 pounds or something like that. And then it uses a 5mm Prusik line on here, camoed out. So it's a pretty nice setup. It looks really nice and slick. This stuff is rated for like 1,600 pounds or something like that. So two very strong cords that we're using here for the EZ Strap 2.0, and it has a weight rating of 350. So it's right there in the middle, and literally everyone can use the EZ Strap 2.0. There's no issues there. Any climbing stick using a Versa button, this is going to work really well with. So depending on what hand you are, I am right-handed, so this is kind of the way that I like to set it up. We have a main loop here. You put it right over the Versa button like so, and then I like to keep it off to the left side of me like this. And then when it comes to putting it on the tree, you just set it like you normally would with your regular climbing sticks. Like if you were using a regular strap, you take the end here, you throw it around the tree, and you catch it. You take the loop end of the Prusik here and you put it right over the Versa button again. And you come here, you make sure that the rope is going around the tree nice and parallel and level with the ground. That's important. And then you take the slack out of the Prusik like so. And then you go ahead and set the climbing stick just as you would with a strap. And basically what happens is that Prusik is going to bite down on this cord, and it's going to essentially be the same as any like adjusting strap. It's the same kind of principle. It uses friction. And then just as an extra precaution, I like to come around here and I'll do a little knot on the end of the rope over here, just in case this thing wants to slide. It physically can't. And then you're good to go ahead and set the climbing stick like so, and you can go ahead and fully climb up the tree. Coming down is just as easy. Then it's just a simple taking this off here. You just take the climbing stick from up top above the Versa button, just pick it right up off the tree, go like this, and your climbing stick comes right off. It's good to go. It is a very fast and efficient way to get up the tree. As you can see, that setting that one climbing stick took me about, what, 30 seconds? And it is also very quiet. So there's no buckles on here, so there's not going to be any kind of noise, no clanking when you're coming up and down the tree. Something you don't have to think about when you're trying to set your climbing stick. And then it also is very easy to pack up. We'll just take this down around the back here. We'll go around the claw, come up. We'll go around the claw again, around the back side. When we take the slack out of the Prusik, you just go ahead and pull the slack up, hook it around here, pull the slack through, and it's packed up right around the climbing stick, ready to go. You can go ahead and still be able to stack on top with your other climbing sticks. It's a very efficient system. I think it is one of the fastest and the most quiet on the market. If you guys are interested, make sure you go ahead and check the link in the description below. It'll take you right to the page where you can grab these things. We also have a couple other products that are really cool, so if you guys wouldn't mind, go check them out. We also have merch available to you guys, channel merch, which we're really proud of. I think it turned out pretty cool. We have like our Hang and Hunt logo merch, and then we have some Target Archery t-shirts. So if you guys wouldn't mind, go check those out. If you like the video, thumbs up. If you want to see more just like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn those post notifications on so you get notified when we upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Ciao, guys.